Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we are going to customize a funeral invite card. So let's begin. But first I am going to mention the things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. So the gold lines here, you can't change those. The rows and this other gold line on this section. You can change the color of the background, the color of the text, the size, and font type. And that goes for all the text within this template. Now these sections are grouped, so in order for you to ungroup them, just select and click ungroup top right. So what you would want to do here is change the name, the date information, church name, address, last name and first name on this section, and the date information. Now we're gonna drag and drop our own picture here. I'm going to select a random picture so you can just see how to change the picture. So click and drag, and I'm gonna center that picture and flip. And let's select another picture here. Double click to make it larger and then center. And that is all. You have the Spanish template below. If you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a fabulous day.